Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Varda's cooking channel. Today I am going to share with you the famous chipotle, black beans and corn salad. So let's get started. This is the simplest homemade version of the chipotle salad. My salad recipe is really fast with very few ingredients and you can prepare it within less than 5 minutes at home. This is the list of ingredients and you can also check it out in the description below. Here I have placed all my ingredients that I am going to use. The very first ingredient is frozen corn bag. So I am only going to take half a cup of this. Next I have got the black beans can and here I'll only use half a can. For green I am going to use this iceberg lettuce around 2 cups. So you can also use Roman lettuce. Here I have got multicolor bell peppers. I am going to take 1/3 cup each. I'll use half of the red onion, 2 tomatoes, lime juice around 1/4 cup and cilantro half a cup. Firstly I am going to cut all my vegetables. So here I am going to cut the iceberg into 1-inch cubes just as you see me, and then I am going to put them in the basket and then wash it. Guys, I have recently bought this IKEA salad strainer and it really helps me to dry my salad and it helps in maintaining the freshness of salad for more than 1 day. So when I use this, my iceberg always remains crisp and fresh for at least 2 days. All the water gets accumulated in the bowl. Next I am going to finely dice half of the red onion. I am going to soak red onion into ice cold water to reduce its bitterness. And afterwards I am going to strain it well. Here I am finely dicing 1/3 cup each of the multicolored bell pepper. I just love pepper guys, it's so good. Next I am going to add 2 tomatoes which are also diced very finely. And for Mexican authenticity, now I am going to chop cilantro, half a cup. You can also add more if you desire. For seasoning, I am going to use lime juice around 1/4 cup. Let's add everything to our salad bowl. In goes iceberg lettuce, then multicolored bell pepper, tomatoes and cilantro, then half a cup of frozen corn and they'll thaw by themselves. Finally, I am going to wash the black beans and dry them and I'll add half a can into my bowl. In goes washed and drained diced red onions. I'm going to season simply with some sea salt to your taste and pepper medley again to your taste. For this salad recipe, I am not going to use too much of the seasoning like sour cream or guacamole, but it's your own choice. If you want to add any other seasonings, then it's totally up to you. The final thing I am going to add is lime juice. Let's toss and mix our salad. Wow, this looks so colorful and so refreshing. And it's really healthy because all the ingredients are really good for you. Very nice. The best thing about this salad is that you can enjoy it with any type of meal like biryani or barbecue, or you can enjoy it with tacos. You can put it in your burrito. So here I am going to enjoy this with my plate of biryani. And tomorrow I am definitely going to make the crispy chipotle tilapia fillet and enjoy my salad with that. Mmm, delicious. I hope you enjoyed my video, viewers. Please go to my YouTube page Varda's Cooking Channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. You can also check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Please share, like and subscribe and also forward to your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.